We are not talking about chewing your actual tongue. Looks like you're ready to sculpt that jawline to perfection. If you've been following my face yoga series on face shapes, then you know the power of mewing and how it can redefine your face shape. But today we are taking it up a notch with a technique that's sure to accelerate your progress: tongue chewing. Now, before you start picturing something straight out of a horror movie, let me clarify. We are not talking about chewing your actual tongue. Instead, think of tongue chewing as the advanced version of mewing, or as I like to call it, mewing 2.0. In my previous video on mewing, I explained how the position of your tongue can significantly impact your facial structure, even while you sleep. But tongue chewing adds another dimension to this practice, offering a shortcut to achieving that coveted chiseled jawline. But before we dive in, make sure to watch my mewing video that is linked up here and in the description below too. Understanding the basics of mewing will help you grasp the concept of tongue chewing and its benefits truly. Now, grab yourself a piece of chewing gum. This little bad boy is about to become your new best friend. Let's see if your mind is opening up to this. Complete this sentence. For tongue chewing, give your teeth a break and start using your dash to chew the gum. And the answer is tongue. You're right. So think of tongue chewing as mewing, but with a gum. It's a simple yet very effective way to strengthen your jaw, banish that double chin, and tone those tongue muscles. No, don't start chewing on this gum. Let's ditch the regular chewing gum routine and start mewing our way to the chiseled jawline. So if you're ready to unlock the magic of tongue chewing, let's dive in. So here's the step-by-step guide to level up your mewing game. Step number 1, pop a piece of gum into your mouth and forget about chewing with your teeth. Instead, engage your tongue by chewing the gum with your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Before that, chew it for the first few seconds to soften the gum. And now feel those muscles getting to work. Get creative. Mold the gum into different shapes. Simplest is to start with a ball shape and then start flattening that ball with your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This will target multiple muscle groups, including your tongue, your jaw, and your double chin. After you complete round 1 of flattening the ball, roll it back into a ball and continue with round 2, round 3, round 4, and round 5. Now try to reach every corner of your mouth with that tongue and spreading of that gum to enhance flexibility, to reach various parts of your double chin as well. So as this next step, I want you to flatten the gum on your whole palate, utilizing your entire tongue's surface. Make sure you're not just using the tip of your tongue to press the ball up. Please comment when you do this and you feel a prominent movement in your double chin. With each step, you're not only refining your mewing technique, but also sculpting that coveted jawline. But wait, there is more. Aside from concentration, chewing gum with your tongue offers a myriad of benefits. The basic mewing that I taught you last time, learn to master your mewing technique position with tongue chewing. This will help you strengthen your tongue and your jawline on the whole to achieve the correct mewing tongue posture effortlessly. So for those of you who found mewing a little difficult, try this technique. It'll actually make it easier to perform mewing. So if you just chew gum, it can broaden your outer corners of your jaws, making it look more square shape. And I'm guessing you don't want that look. With the right exercise, you can sculpt your face into a desired look. You can enhance your muscle strength in your tongue, in your jaw for a defined facial structure and maintain a better face posture as a habit versus how your face typically just drops when it doesn't have the muscle strength to control your facial posture. It will also reduce your neckline, those horizontal lines, as well as give you a tighter, more toned neck and chin appearance. Increase your tongue's mobility and flexibility. Engage in sophisticated movements to exercise different tongue areas, boosting overall mewing results. Once you learn how to do this exercise correctly, you could be doing this anywhere. Impressed with the transformative power of face yoga? Then prepare to be amazed by the vast array of techniques within mewing itself. As your dedicated face yoga coach, I offer personalized one-on-one coaching programs that are tailored to address your specific facial aging concerns. Now imagine having access to exact routines of facial exercises meticulously crafted to target your unique needs. With my 21-day face yoga face mastery program, you will experience remarkable transformations through daily face exercises that are designed specifically for the most requested and most seen facial aging concerns. And the best part, these routines are just 7 to 10 minutes per day, ensuring convenience without compromising effectiveness. But what sets Blush With Me Face Yoga apart? Our exercises are strategically designed to benefit multiple facial areas simultaneously, maximizing results with minimal time commitment. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or simply seeking a holistic approach to self-care, our programs are designed to seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. I want you to explore a range of face yoga courses that are tailored to address various facial aging concerns, all conveniently accessible through the links provided in the description below and on my website 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀.com. For those seeking personalized guidance, consider applying for our one-on-one face yoga coaching program by filling out a form on my website. Upon submission, a member from my team will schedule a complimentary call to discuss the details and pricing of a customized routine tailored specifically for you. Planning a group event? Look no further. Contact us for team events on face yoga or image transformation topics, and let's embark on this journey together. I'm 𝙀𝙀 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀, your dedicated self-image transformation and face yoga coach, committed to guiding you towards becoming the best version of yourself at any age. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive content and valuable insights into your self-improvement. Only on Blush With Me, 𝙀𝙀. And remember to like this video if you're excited to experience the benefits from tongue chewing. Stay connected with me on my other social media handles for additional content and updates. Join my channel membership for access to even more exclusive content. I will see you next week, but until then, continue to blush with me.